Hi everyone, welcome back to Guido. Today we will show you how to replace the back cover on the Realme X2 Pro mobile phone. To begin, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The first step is the battery cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Carefully work around on edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic carpet tool and gently cut the adhesive around. If your camera lens has not broken, remove the lens and the frame from the broken back cover. Apply a little heat to soften the glue on the camera lens frame edges. Give a slight push on the camera lens to take out, then transfer it to the new back cover. Now take off the adhesive protector cover on the new back cover. Next, apply adhesive around the camera lens frame edges before installing it in the back cover. Insert the camera lens from the rear side and make sure it seats firmly. Finally, add the main back cover. A quick note, we are adding 2 tightened rubber bands to bond the back cover. Leave it for some time and remove the rubber bands. On the professional level, you can use screen bonding clips. Hope you have enjoyed the back cover replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.